Today we're going to look at dividing decimals at the 5th grade level. The state of Ohio is asking students to divide decimals not using a traditional algorithm, but it's asking them to solve using models. And the numbers that we're going to be using are numbers that we can easily see through a model, like a base 10 model that we're going to be using today. Today we're going to start off in 3 different situations. The first is a whole number divided by a decimal. So the first problem is 6 divided by 3/10. I've already started the process of shading in my 6 holes. I'm going to finish that in right now. And what we want kids to be able to do is we want them to be able to recognize how many groups of 3/10 there will be when I have 6 holes. Now, again, this is the beginning of the process of dividing decimals. This is not the end product that we want kids to be able to do, but when we're first teaching this concept, we want to give them a visual that will be concrete in their mind as they head forward of what's going on. So as we look through this, we know each of these base 10 blocks have 10 tenths. So what we're going to do is we're going to identify 3/10 groupings. And I'm going to symbolize this by just kind of linking them together. You could circle them, but that might take a little bit longer. But for time's sake, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to link them together through lines. Now, after 3 holes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of 3/10. Knowing that I have 6, I could just we'll hopefully have kids realize, oh, I can just double that. But we're just going to go through the process just to make sure that kids understand. Let's go through the process. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we now know that there are 20, put that in purple here, 20 groups of 3/10. A lot of times kids just can't understand why, if I'm dividing by a decimal, do I have a number that's larger than the number that I'm dividing into. And in this situations, we want kids to be able to see that we're talking about parts of the whole. We have 20 parts of the 6 holes broken into 3/10 chunks.